60 advanced French words to elevate your vocabulary. Bonjour à tous. Today, we're diving into 60 advanced French words to refine your vocabulary. Perfect for expressing complex ideas and enriching your writing. I'm so excited to share these words with you. They're going to up your French game. So grab your notebooks and let's get started. Chapter 1, Amertume, that feeling after finishing a good book. Chapter 2, Nostalgia, remember those disposable cameras? Yeah, those days. Chapter 3, Melancholy, rainy Sunday vibes in a French way. Chapter 4, Exaltation, when your online order arrives early. Chapter 5, Fascination, true crime documentaries, anyone? Chapter 6, Resentment, that friend who cancels plans again. Chapter 7, Empathy or Empathy, putting yourself in their shoes. Chapter 8, Euphoria or Euphoria, the feeling after a workout. Chapter 9, Peur panique or Panic fear, when you think you've lost your phone, but it's in your hand. Chapter 10, Rancune or Grudge, holding on to anger forever. Chapter 11, Inexplore, that hidden gem of a coffee shop. Chapter 12, Biodiversity, so many different plants and animals. Ecology, saving the planet, one reusable bottle at a time. Chapter 14, Hydrosphere, all the water on Earth. Chapter 15, Meteorology, will it rain today? Check the forecast. Chapter 16, Photosynthesis, plants make their own food. Chapter 17, Endemique, an animal found only in one place. Mineral, rocks are cool, okay? Chapter 19, Conifer or Conifer, pine and fir trees smell amazing. Chapter 20, Subarctique, so cold yet beautifully serene. Chapter 21, Ethique or Ethics, doing the right thing. Chapter 22, Morale or Morality, your inner compass guides you. Chapter 23, Utopia or Utopia, a perfect world. Chapter 24, Dystopia or Dystopia, opposite of utopia, scary. Chapter 25, Existentialism, deep thoughts about life and everything. Chapter 26, Rationalism, thinking logically like a boss. Chapter 27, Humanism, celebrating human potential, we love it. Chapter 28, Ideology or Ideology, a set of beliefs. Chapter 29, Anarchism, no rules, just vibes, be safe. Chapter 30, Patriarchat, we need to dismantle this now. Chapter 31, Romantism, think candlelit dinners and love letters. Chapter 32, Symbolism, hidden meanings in favorite books. Chapter 33, Baroque, extravagant art and architecture, very fancy indeed. Aesthetique or aesthetic, your vibe, your style, your essence. Calligraphy or calligraphy, fancy handwriting, it's a beautiful art form. Metaphor or metaphor, comparing two things poetically like poetry. Allegory or allegory, a story with hidden meaning. Versification, the art of writing poetry, beautiful. Imaginaire or imaginary, your wildest dreams, let your mind wander freely. Manuscript, a handwritten document, so old school. Ambiguity, open to interpretation, what does it mean? Paradox, a seemingly contradictory statement that's true. Immutability or immutability, unchanging, like forever and always enduring. Transcendence or transcendence, reaching new heights. Abstraction, thinking about ideas, not just concrete things. Dialectique or dialectics, the art of philosophical argumentation. Subversion, challenging the status quo, breaking the rules. Complexity or complexity, life is complicated and interesting. Hypothesis, an educated guess what will happen. Nant, the void, the emptiness, a kind of existential dread. Intransigence, stubborn, unwilling to compromise, like ever. So last season, like totally out of style, right? Fleeting, temporary, like a summer romance. Loyal, unwavering, like a true friend. Deracinement, uprooting, leaving comfort, starting fresh. Deconcertant, meaning disconcerting. Confusing, unsettling, what just happened? Ineluctable, meaning inevitable, unavoidable, like it will happen. Introspection, looking inward, reflecting on yourself. Legitimate, authentic, real, like the genuine article. Deliberation, careful consideration, like weighing your options. Au revoir, merci de voir regarder, like, comment, and subscribe for more French content. You'll be fluent in no time. À bientôt!